we are learning in detail about the Google Ads assets, which was in the past known as extension. Now friends, in today's video, we will be talking in greater detail about structured snippet assets inside Google Ads. So first, I will be taking you to the computer screen and I will show you how this is displayed. See, we went to Google and put in structured snippet example, okay? So here you can see, this is an ad that is running. Now we can see the image of this ad. It has a information like services. Okay. So here they have provided very detailed information related to their company. So this is the feature which generally adds a tag to our ad layout, and it also adds more details to our ad. Okay. Because whenever we are running an ad, so the headline comes and then below it comes the URL. After the URL, then we add the description for the ad. Then we add the call out. We add them to make our ad more visible, and the structured snippet is like icing on the cake. And with that, we can add more details about our company's products and services. And thus, this feature gives our ad much more power and more information. It reaches the customer and there is a higher chance that they will click on our ad. Now creating this is very simple. In the same process, you will go to Google Ads account and then you will have to go to the campaign option here below. The option will be there under the campaign in the assets option. In the assets option, we have further options of assets and videos. I'll click on assets. So here for specifically creating assets now. First, let me just reload this. Okay, I'll explain step by step to not face problems. Okay, so we have done this here. Now we will be going to the assets section here. If you will click here, there are many types of assets which we are teaching you. Now we will come to the structured snippet. As soon as we click here, so here a preview will keep showing how it will look. Like I told, URL, headline, description, call out, then the structured snippet will come. So here I am doing it at the campaign level. You can choose the campaign that you have created where you need to add. Okay. So here I am going to be selecting a dummy campaign. Done. We will be creating a new one for you. Header English, so I will be doing it in English. Now select the header type. Here we have several options like brands, amenities, courses, and services. Let's say you have some services or you want to list the types. You want to tell people about your company's products, the models, something that is related to hotels or about features. So then after this, you will have to decide which headline suits your ad the best, and it is entirely depending on your ad. So I'll just take courses here. Let's say we're selling digital marketing courses, okay? And since I am running ads for it, in the values option, I will add SEO course. So in every section, the character limit is 25. It should not be more. Okay, so here I'll add SMM course, social media marketing. I've added this. And then here, I will be adding. So here, if I am going to let us say, that if I want to, then I can be adding something unique about myself, but I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just adding this simple thing. AI course. Okay. I added this. How will it be displayed? It will look like this. So here we have the SEO, SMM and the AI course. And then in what format do I want to see this? It will look like this on the desktop. So in this particular way, you think how many details can you add to these ads? It's that simple. If you want to add more value, then you will go to add value and you can do creative writing, do something so that people are attracted. The values option doesn't mean that you will just add about courses or products. It means you will include some USPs related to them. Do some good copywriting that will be resonating with the people about their problem. And the words are giving some form of solutions. So you have to mix these things. I am telling about what is to be specifically used and where, but when you sit down to make it by yourself, it takes a thought process. And not use things randomly. What you want to write? What should be shown first and later? What should be written related to that? What pen point can be given? So that the person is completely attracted to click. You need to pay attention to these points, and when these ad copies are created, I will teach you practically in this course. I am going to plan everything beforehand and I will show you how to do it step by step so you can learn these ads very well. We will save it now when we save it. So like this, we created a further extension in this way. You can also do it. It's that simple. So now let's move further in the course. Thank you.